Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer because this one equals to number 0, that is about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Next we need to find second the derivative of yc, and that is about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now I will put this one go in here. So I will put e to the power of lambda s gone here. This one gone here, and this one gone here. And now we have like this. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. And now we have like this. Next, we need to find the solution of this one. And now we have like this. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. And we have two solutions. So we have lambda equals to negative number 3 and lambda equal to negative number 4. And now we have y equal to yc, and that is about c number 1. That is about the constant number 1 e to the power of negative 4s. Now we need to put negative number 4 to change for the lambda in here. And the next one we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 3s. Now we have the conditions. So when s equal to number 0, we put number 0 on here, and we have y equals to number 1. And now we have like this. Now we need to do first the derivative of y because we have the second conditions in here. And that is about negative number 4, c number 1, e to the power of negative 4s. And then we have negative number 3, c number 2, e to the power of negative 3s. Now we put number 0 on here and here. And we know that first the derivative of y equal to 1 over 2. And now we need to create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of c number 1 and c number 2. So we have c number 1 equals to negative 7 over 2. And c number 2 equals to 9 over 2. And now we put C number 1 and C number 2 go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.